video for my Instagram and also my Poshmark closet. I am a part-time reseller on an app called Poshmark. Today you're seeing me in another video, and then I actually got one of my ThredUP boxes. I had actually ordered another DIY designer box and it came in really fast, so go figure. I was gonna actually do another unboxing, but so here we go. So they don't come out with these boxes very often. I actually happened to be at home and just happened to go on the website and saw it on there and immediately ordered it. So, and they did go up with the prices. It is now $90. It used to be $80, and you get 7 items. So, all right. So let's see. First item. These are cute. Got these boots. Oh, they're Ferragamos. What size are they? Oh, these are itty bitty. They are a size 5. So, but they're in pretty good condition. They need some leather cleaner, but they're cute. Those are like, heels are in good condition. There's a little spot right there, but I'm ready to get some leather cleaners for that. I feel like they just threw all this stuff. Oh my gosh. Sorry. Last time I got more purses. Yeah, this is exciting. Paraffindi. And these are really, they're just a basic black heel. But these are in really good shape. They're size 39, so that's a 9. Just need to be cleaned up a little bit. But these are like, the heels are great. You can see the heels are good. I don't see anything wrong with these. They do need to be cleaned up a little bit, but otherwise, these are awesome. Oh, I can't wait to list these. Okay, so those are good. All right, what is this? I have no idea. Oh yeah, I've never heard of this brand. Is it? No, let me not even try. So that's the brand. It's a size 4. It's like a kimono. The little like, this is really pretty. Now that I'm seeing, like I'm seeing it, the front is just because it's all wrinkled, it looks a hot mess. This is really pretty. I'm trying to see where the flaws are. Let me see if this is silk. It is. It's 100% silk. This is a really, really pretty dress. I'm trying to find the flaws on it. Oh, it has like, it's like a, it's kind of like, I'm thinking it's supposed to be like that. I'm not sure. I'll have to do some more research, but that's really pretty. Oh, right. What is this? I don't know what this is. This is like a, I don't know if you guys see that. I've never heard of this either, but it's like a fringy shirt, size small. It said fringy shirt. Polyester cotton blend. I've never heard of this, but I'll definitely list it. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. It's gonna be 5. Okay. So this says it's a Prada. It's like a pullover. I don't know. It does have the Prada zipper. I'll have to look up. It looks authentic. It doesn't look like it's really been worn. It's a size small. And it has like a zipper in the back. Huh. Interesting. Okay. I had a lot of clothes. Another top. I don't know. I'm not even gonna try. It's like a my light's like reflecting weird off this. It is just like a tank top. It's like an olive color. I've never heard of this brand either. So I'll have to do some research on that. I think my light was reflecting weird off of here, so. Or maybe that's a shirt, I don't know. Okay. I think I have one more item. I don't know how to say that either. Itro? It's like it's actually really pretty. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's a really pretty shirt. It's a size 44. I don't see anything wrong with this either. I'll have to look. This is made in Italy. I got a lot of brands I've never heard of, but this is a very pretty shirt. So it's like two different colors on the front. Like in the back it's one color and the front it's another color. So I got that. So that is it. So to recap, that shirt, I got this Prada. Oh, I didn't even notice it had that on the side. I don't know if this is a men's or a women's. It looks more like a men's. I don't know. So I got that pullover. I got this, like, oh my gosh, this top. I didn't get any purses this time. I'm kind of disappointed. Last time I got like 4 purses. This top. This is really pretty. This is so pretty. This, like the butterflies, even just seeing it right now, this is really pretty. And then the Fendi, and then the Ferragamo boots. So not disappointed. Definitely gonna have to do some research on some of those brands I have never heard of in my life. So yeah, if you know anything about them, let me know. Comment down below. This is only my second time getting boxed. The last box I got in one of my previous videos, I got more purses for some reason. So this time it's more clothing, but that's fine. It's okay. I mean, it was $90. I'm pretty sure like the shoes and stuff are gonna pay for the box. So, but I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff, and have a good rest of your day.